How to log in Emirates Islamic Bank online banking account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Emirates Islamic is one of the four Islamic banks in Dubai, United Arab. The bank was established in 2004 to deliver banking service. It offers products designed for individual and small business as well as large corporation. In order to log into Emirates Islamic Bank online banking account, open your preferred browser firstly and in the search bar search for emirate.islamic.ae. You'll be led to the official webpage of Emirates Islamic Bank. Here on the top right, you will see the option for login. Tap on that and then tap on the online banking option. Now tap on the continue to online banking button. You will be led to the login portal, so go ahead and enter your username and your password and tap on the login button in order to log yourself in to Emirates Islamic Bank online banking account. Just in case if you have forgotten your login credentials, you can tap on the forgot password option and recover your login credentials, and this is how you can log in to Emirates Islamic Bank online banking account. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.